In our previous class, we have done some basic plots by using ggplot2. Today, our topic is again, objective of our today class is again reading, writing, editing. But we will do practice for correlation analysis. Correlation analysis in R. So for correlation, the first question which should be in your mind, which package will be used? Which tool will be used? So its answer is you can use Psych or corr.plot package. These are two different packages. You can use Psych package or you can use your corr.plot package. Second question, are these available in or are these available in or yes or no? So there your answer should be yes or no. So now we have the answer of first question. Which package will be used? So answer is we can use Psych package or corr.plot package. Second, we need to confirm these packages are available in our screen number 4, are available in our RStudio laboratory or RStudio lab. So open search box in screen number 4, click on packages. Here is search box and find here Psych, Psych. So my answer is yes. Please all participants reply me yes or no. My answer is yes. If you have this tool, type yes. If don't have, type no and click on install button and search here Psych Psych and click on install button. After few minutes, it will give you a message. Package Psych successfully unpacked and MD5 sum checked. It's mean you have successfully installed Psych package. Now next step is please all participant type done so that I can move to next step. Now we have a machine Psych. We have two options. You can choose any one, Psych or corr.plot. Today we are going to work on Psych. So install Psych and type done. Now next step, now our answer is yes. We all have this machine, this tool. Now I want to do library. Library. Library mean turn on. Library mean turn on. So for turn on, first we need to do type library and write a message here Psych and run this command. It will give you a message in red lines. It is not an error. It is showing you attaching package Psych. The following objects are masked from package ggplot2 alpha percentage plus percentage and alpha package. It's mean when you turn on Psych package, these two functions will not work. Percentage plus percentage and alpha. These are unable to do work because Psych package is dominant package. If some participant related to biology can easily understand dominant genes and recessive gene concept. Dominant gene and recessive gene concept. So Psych is the dominant package. It will it will stop the working of percentage plus percentage and alpha. These are two functions of ggplot2. But don't worry, it will not disturb you. Okay, next we need to write a script. So when you want to write a script, you need to ask a question, you need to open function. So Psych is the machine. We need to find its function. Which function will be used for correlation analysis? So in Psych, if you click on Psych button, it will show you so many type of functions. All is the list of function of Psych, but we need only one function which can be used to perform correlation. So for correlation, there is a function named corr.test, C-O-R-R, corr.test. When you type corr.test, it will give you suggestions corr.p, corr.test. Its correct spelling C-O-R-R, dot test with psych, P-S-Y-C-H, psych, P-S-Y-C-H, psych. Click on it, no function open. Just give your file name, ficus, and send message. When you send this message, very simple script for correlation, it will give you an error. It is showing you an error. X must be numeric. X must be numeric. It's mean, sir, it is not core. It is the CORR core. Yes, X must be numeric. Same error. So X must be numeric mean X mean our data set, ficus, must be numeric. It's mean all data should be numeric form. So for correlation analysis, we need all data in numeric form. So we need to remove, if you check your ficus data set, last column, species, it is not a numeric column. If you bring cursor near to first heading, it is showing you column number 1, numeric with range 0 to 2.6. Column number 2, numeric with range 1.7. Column number 3, numeric with range 2.4. Numeric with range 4.8, and last column is character. Last column is character. So we need to remove column number 5. So give here a square bracket. Square bracket means square bracket is also a word of our language. Square bracket mean column number, column variable, column number 5 minus column number 5. We want to remove column number 5. If it is in the location number 1, then you will remove column number 1. Run this line. It will give you the correlation matrix in screen number 2. Here is the correlation result in the table form. Copy these results, open WhatsApp group and share. And type done. Please all participants perform this step and type done. I have done this step. All participants please type done so that I can move to next step. Okay, now next we want to visualize this plot. So for visualization, we need another function of psych pairs dot panels. So here is the function pairs dot panels. Pair dot panel. Click on this button. Pairs dot panels. Give your file name ficus, and we also know we need to remove column number 5. So add -5 and run this line. When you run this line, it will give you plot pairs panel plot. It not only show you correlation, it also shows you histogram, your scatter plot, and so many things. But our major task is correlation. Some variables showing positive correlation, some variables showing negative correlation. For example, petal width showing positive correlation with petal length, petal width showing negative correlation with sepal width. Copy this plot, open WhatsApp group and share, and type done within Zoom chat. Now your supervisor say, please add star with values showing significant correlation. Here is the table for probability values. It shows which are significant and which are not significant. So if you want to add star, add comma, raise stars equal T and run. It will give you stars with the values showing significant correlation. Stars showing values with significant correlation. You can check petal width, petal length, petal width, sepal width, petal width, sepal length. Only sepal width and sepal length showing non-significant, while other all are showing significant result. Copy this image, open WhatsApp group and share. Okay. So here there are two new words for you. First is T, second is F. If you type F here instead of T and run, star will disappear. Star will disappear. Here is T. T mean true. TRUE true. F mean false. False mean no. If you need star, type F. If you don't need star, type F. If you need star, type T. T mean true and true mean yes. Okay. Please all participants type done. Today we have only this task. Yes. Minus mean when you run this code without minus, run it. It will show you an error. X must be numeric. This is for Ms. Gupta. X must be numeric. It's mean we need all numeric data for correlation analysis. If you want to perform correlation analysis, you need all data in numeric form. If you open your ficus file, you can check about all variables are numeric. You can check, but last variable is not numeric. It is S1, S1. It is alphanumeric or characters. So we need to remove this column. So give square bracket -5. Square bracket mean column. Column number 5 we want to minus or we want to remove column number 5 and run. Then it will show you results. Okay, today we have a very simple and short task. And in our next class, which will be on Friday, we will again work on correlation, but we will use another tool,
Sir, may I ask a
corr.plot.
question?
Yes, you can ask.
When we have more column, more character column, suppose we have a data which content non-numeric column in column 2 and column 6,
Yes.
then what should we do in case of -5?
Then you need to give range. We will give range, and we also work on it in our statistical task, where we will done it for multiple variables, for multiple factors or multiple character variables.
Okay.
If you have
And
in
I
one,
have another question.
yes,
How can we understand that which value is significant and which value is not?
yes.
The
So here is,
value
yes,
contain star mark is
yes.
significant or another thing?
Stars are significant. If you check your second table, probability values, it's p values. If p value is less than 0.05, it's mean it shows significant correlation. If it's more
Okay.
than 0.05, it's mean non-significant. If you check all variable are 0, 0, it's mean highly significant. These three values are 0, but last value is 5 with 0.15, which increase the limit 0.5. It's mean this last sepal length is not significant. Similarly, here is also sepal length value is 0.15. It's mean it is also non-significant. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thank you. And now in our next class, we will do work on corr.plot package. So please, you can apply these analysis on your data set. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.